January 2015. We're going to turn this fridge on to see how good it goes. As you can see, I've got multiple thermometers in here before I do a start up, giving you a rough indication on what it actually is at the moment. This fridge is up for sale. At the moment it's up for sale with no shelves because I have used the shelves on my 4-door, which is in what better presentation than the 3-door. As you can see, 4-door is tested and is on YouTube. Now we'll just turn this puppy on. Very quiet. I'll have to go around the back. Get her down and see how she's going in the front. Brand name is apparently Cutler. The lights do work if you want them to work. Bulbs are blown. We did put new starters in and bulbs just to see if they do work, which they do. So you can see it's already trying to start to cool down. What I might do is just, okay, just an update, see how the fridge is going. As you can see, it is working. Here's my little dial. That's the other one.
I want one. I'll get you the pack.
Frosty in there. Okay, compressor has stopped to validate that the thermostat does actually work. Move, dog. Frosty, I can't even see him. Move on to the back now.
It's funny when Daddy talks.
You can see the fans are still going around. Let's just wait for the compressor to come back on. Matthew, stop it. It's scaring the dog.
Actually have a hole in it.
Ooh, the fans are still going.
Whoopsie. Press it, Will. Putting on. Fire, dude.
Frosted. Actually hear the things. Just wait for the compressor to come back on. Of course, if there was food in here, cans, drinks, food, whatever, you would actually need less time to cool down due to the volume of food or whatever would be in here will take up the capacity of the air, which means less air, more food, meaning less air to cool down. Which means you save a lot of electricity. Okay, she's back on it.